It's starting to pink up. So folks, as you can see, I'm in my protective headgear. So we're out photographing the rolling hills at sunset, and it's mozzie time. I've just got a great shot just in front of me of a farmhouse with the rolling hills and some pockets of light. So I'm just going to capture that, and also one down here. I'm going to capture that, and hopefully the sky is going to turn pink because the sun's setting behind me. So we're in for some nice light tonight. It's looking absolutely beautiful, as you can see. So we've lost the light just about on the tree, on the wheat in front. So we're going to have to just make the best of what we can now. Okay, so I shall carry on working regardless, and then I'll be going back for a beer. So don't forget, as always, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please give us a share. For now, Now's End TV says ciao, arrivederci, bye for now. Going to shoot that chap that stood there against the scenery. That's a good shot. Thanks for being a willing model. I'm perfect. Okay. I think that farmhouse is looking really nice now. I think I might put on a long lens just to compress the scenery a bit more. So I'm going to quickly swap the lenses for 100 to 400, and I'll be back with a video and some images to show you.